Hey good people, today we'll be talking about boots. Red Wing boots, in my case, it's Rover model 2950 in Cooper rough and tough leather, and we'll be applying some 100% horse brush and some Neatsfoot oil. It's a strange name to say it. So let's start. This boot was treated some time ago. It was on a video, so I'll attach it when it was done in some text. But it probably was about at least 6 months. And it's winter time, so we need to do it once again. I step on glass, a piece of glass. So first of all, we need to remove the laces. I use rawhide laces from Timberland, I guess. Here's the boot inside. As you can see, there is some junk that I never get to clean, like this. Some nasty stuff. You have to do nice cleaning before you apply. The good stuff, so leather is clean and can absorb. And I wanna show you one thing. As you can see, the sole is a little worn. It's about 1 centimeter here, or sort of an inch. So it's not time to resole it yet, but I definitely feel this part. I've seen Dr. Sol actually selling fixed parts for this, so maybe I'll try to achieve it. Now when I'm in Poland, the post working better. For now I'll use sock to place stuff. So I got this thing. What do you call it, by the way? I don't know. Leave it in the comments. It smells just like oil. It goes everywhere. Leather become darker in the place where it applied. Here's the difference before after, before, after, and I'll continue with application. So the leather will be nice and full of Neatsfoot oil. So I could walk on these winter days. The man who told me to do this, he said use the brush, just brush it into the skin. I don't have a brush with me, so I'll use just that. And it's definitely going into the skin, deeply into the leather, because the color is changing so much. So here we have copper rough and tough in layer of Neatsfoot oil. Here's comparison before dry leather, wet leather. Yeah. So subscribe to the channel to see how I treat my Red Wing Iron Rangers in blue. Actually, it's brown harness leather. Yeah. So we'll proceed with these boots and come for another video. Bye. Here you have it.